I'm from Congo, DRC. I came with my parents in 2003. The things which caused us to flee from our country up to Uganda, it was because of discrimination and the war. My life in Uganda, it came up being nice. I appreciate because I have a job.
I come from Congo and I came in Uganda in 2012. UGAFODE empower women through different ways. It supports them by giving them loans, keeping their savings safely. UGAFODE provides special opportunity to women by giving them jobs. For example, me, I'm a woman and I'm given a job at UGAFODE Microfinance, irrespective of how hard the position can be.
Yeah, mostly they need financial literacy because somehow some people are still scared of approaching banks. But we had already introduced mobile banking, so people could not move to banks. They could just use their phones to bank, to pay loans, to withdraw.
These clients need support in terms of loans. They need support in terms of savings. So the refugee community was very desperate and they didn't have any financial services around. So the coming of UGAFODE has supported up to that extent of providing loans and savings products which they were missing before. UGAFODE has managed to leverage the digital platforms during the pandemic in this way because we have remote account opening service, so clients didn't have to walk to the bank to open up accounts. As UGAFODE, we empower women through various ways.
We are approaching more of women groups, so to uplift them, because it is bringing a good image to the whole world.